It's actually his birthday today, also, side note. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, we are back with day 3, I can't do the number 3 apparently, of August 2018 box week. Really quick before we jump into this video, I want to let you know we are going to be doing our face mask and chill video, so if you want to pause this video, go grab a face mask, put it on with me, and mask and relax while we unbox this. That would be super duper awesome. And we are going to be opening the Facetory box. So really quickly, we are going to be putting into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box full of goodies right here. I'm going to be putting in this mask we actually got in Facetory last month. It's called Oops Soda Bubble Mask Aqua Fruit, and I actually Helicopter Mom gave me this one because it has grapefruit in it, and she doesn't like doing anything with grapefruit because the Magic Marcus is allergic to grapefruit. It's actually his birthday today, also, side note. So she was like, you know what, you take this, and I was like, I'll put it in the giveaway. That's great, because I actually used mine and thought it was really, really awesome. I'm going to set this over to the side, and we're going to be opening Facetory today. Facetory is one of my favorite subscription boxes that we have on my channel. I'm going to clip my hair back and look crazy. The reason I love Facetory so much is because it is a subscription where they give you Korean beauty sheet masks every single month. Wow, this is really a cute look for me. And basically they give you 4 or 7. There's 2 different options. They end up being around $10 or $20 per month. I get the 7 masks because I love it. I think it's amazing. And today I'm going to actually be doing this mask we got in our box last month. It's one of the Entia no filter moisturizing camera mask. So basically I'm supposed to open up this little top part here, if I can get it open, where it's got like this little like battery pack or lens or film or whatever it's supposed to look like. I have no idea. And, oh, I dropped it on the floor. Hold on. I'm having a struggle today. And I guess I'm supposed to open this little thingy and put this on my face first, and then I put on the mask. Okay, so, well, oh, it's powder, you guys. That's creepy. It's like powder. Alright, I'm gonna rub it on my face. Oh, it's like, this is weird. Oh my god. It like melts into like cream. What is happening to my face? Oh gosh. This is weird. This is not, well, yeah, it's really weird. I'll say it's not weird at all. Yes, it is. Super weird, actually. Okay, so I put that on my face. It's got a really weird, like, it's almost like wet baby powder kind of feeling. I don't know. And then we're supposed to put on the sheet mask over that. So now I'm pulling out the mask, which is like really stuck together, really interestingly. Come on. You can do this, girl. Get that mask on your face and get to unboxing. Jeez Louise, I'm having a hard time. Oh, God. Alrighty, almost. Almost got it. Almost. Here we go. Oh, not even almost. Like it's taking me 2 years to get this out. Alright, here we go. Almost, maybe. Oh, mostly on. Not completely. I don't know. Let's see here. My nose got a little curled up piece here too. Alrighty. Is it on? Is it on my face? I can't even tell if it's fully on my face right now. I don't think it is. I think my nose is messed up. Hold on. You guys, this is so bad. Why can't I put on a sheet mask? Like, there's a lot of things I just struggle to do in life, and now apparently sheet masks are one of them. Like, I used to be really good at putting these on, and now I can't even put on a sheet mask anymore. So that's where life has gotten. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on now. Finally, after like 3 years, I'm gonna wipe my hands off on my shirt here because they're really wet from all of the face mask gooiness. And now I'm gonna play with a pocket knife. John Wayne, my knife. He's gonna help me open up the Facetory box here. Let's see here. Alrighty. And now we can finally get to unboxing after that very serious struggle to put a face mask on. So we're here now, is what it is. Alright, on the top it says girls just want to have sun. And it looks like that is the theme for this month's box. It is a yellow tissue paper on the top. I always love how these are packaged. I think they are just always so cute and like well thought out and planned. And then here is a sheet. This actually tells you about all the face masks you get in your box. What I love about that is since they're all written in Korean, usually, like most of the time, you can't actually tell like what the mask does. So this tells you exactly what mask you got, what it does, etc. Alright, so this one is Facetory Sun Bay Soothing Mask. Okay, so this is actually a mask made by Facetory itself. I actually heard something about that. They did like a Instagram live and people were talking about them coming out with like their own specific face mask. So that's actually really, really cool. So this one is a soothing mask. It is made to soothe your skin and get your skin restored and back in tip-top shape after a sunny day at the beach. Oh my gosh, I could have used this actually last weekend after I spent all day out in the sun on the Apostle Island, so that's really, really awesome. This is an I'm sorry for my skin mask, an SOS jelly mask, soothing, another soothing mask. The sorry for my skin are always really, really fun. This one is another one that's supposed to help you if you've been in the sun. So clearly the whole theme is for like being out in the sun, which is kind of great because seriously, like, the struggle is real. All right, this next one is a juice cleanse mask. It says 2-part mask here. All right, so let's read about this one. Need a quick juice cleanse after having too much summer fun. This 2-step mask will work to cleanse your skin using healthy ingredients such as wheat and celery. All right, so step 1, you find open here on the left side of the mask and you peel the sticker to remove the dry mask from the package. Then you open the right side and you submerge the dry mask into this, and then after you, okay, so take this part out here, it's dry, you put it into here, and then you put it on your face. That is really interesting. I'm interested to try that one out. All right, and then we have this one is called Pore and Spot Care Mask by the brand Chanel. I don't actually know how to say that, so I'm probably butchered it really, really bad. So this one helps work on unwanted pores and blemishes, and basically it helps those fade away. That one is really, really cute too. This one is called an aqua mask, and basically it's a deep hydrating mask for your skin and to keep it balanced and moisturized. I love hydrating masks. And we have here, this is a 2-step, a boosting essence pad and a lifting mask. Ooh, this is interesting. So this is really cool. I love they have more than one 2-step mask in here. Okay, so, all right, so basically you do the step 1 to exfoliate your skin, which is right here. It has grapefruit extract. And then the second part is a high fitting mask. You put this on after. So basically this part exfoliates and then this part you put on your skin afterwards. Alrighty, and then we have Keep Cool and Ocean Mask. Alright, so this is, let's see here. It helps your skin to like cool down and to stay hydrated after you've been out in the sun all day. I love, love, love this box. I think it is super duper awesome and well thought out. So to recap, we got the Keep Cool and Calm Down Ocean Mask. We got the Boosting Essence and this mask here. So basically this is like a grapefruit like exfoliating peel, and then you put this on afterward. An Aqua Mask to help hydrate your skin. We got this one, which is a pore minimizing and blemish minimizing mask. Another 2-step mask where you put a dry mask into the liquid here and then you put it on your face. And I'm sorry for my skin soothing jelly mask. And one of the new Facetory masks, which is a soothing mask for your skin. I really, really like this box. I think it is so smart and awesome. I'm really happy and excited about it. So yeah. Alrighty, I will be back in a little bit to take this mask off and to close out this video. But yeah, alright, talk to you in a second. Alrighty, I am back. I'm ready to take this off and to see what my skin looks like. Looks super hydrated and happy right now. That is so awesome. Alrighty, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of August 2018 Max Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It for $14 worth. I'll be honest about it. That's why I'm kind of having the rub here. I like the box. I think it's great. I just feel like if this was $10, it would be like a no-brainer.